The A20 Folding Electric Bike is designed for riders who want a powerful, versatile, and portable electric bicycle capable of handling city streets, off-road trails, and long-distance travel. With its peak 1000W high-speed brushless motor, durable aluminum alloy folding frame, and long-range 48V 18Ah or 22Ah removable battery, this e-bike delivers outstanding performance and flexibility for commuting, fitness, and adventure riding.
The A20 is powered by a high-speed peak 1000W brushless motor, engineered for acceleration, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. Standard riding speed, up to 25 km per hour. Adjustable top speed, up to 45 km per hour. This makes the bike well-suited for daily commuting, climbing hills, and tackling mixed terrain.
The A20 offers two battery configurations, 18Ah or 22Ah, both of which provide impressive range. 60 to 80 km in pure electric mode, 80 to 100 km in pedal assist mode. The removable design allows you to charge the battery at home, at work, or directly on the bike. A full charge requires only 6 to 8 hours, ensuring consistent availability for daily use.
Constructed with a strong but lightweight aluminum alloy, the A20 provides long-term durability while remaining easy to transport. The folding frame is ideal for car trunks, apartments, office storage, public transport. Despite its portability, the frame maintains structural integrity for stability and rider confidence.
The oversized 20x4.0-inch fat tires are designed for control and comfort across multiple surfaces. Asphalt, gravel, sand, snow, off-road trails. These tires improve grip, stability, and shock absorption, making the A20 suitable for urban and outdoor riding.
Equipped with a Shimano 7-speed derailleur, this e-bike delivers smooth shifting and precise control. Whether climbing hills or riding flat roads, the gearing system ensures an optimized riding experience for every environment.
The A20 offers 3 operation modes for complete riding flexibility: pure electric mode, pedal assist, PA mode, manual human-powered mode. This adaptability makes the bike ideal for exercise, leisure riding, fast commuting, and long-distance touring. The front and rear mechanical disc brakes provide strong, responsive stopping power in all weather conditions. This ensures safety during emergency stops, downhill riding, and wet conditions. The A20 boasts an IP65 waterproof rating, offering excellent resistance to rain, splashes, and dust. This makes it reliable for year-round commuting and outdoor use, even in unfavorable weather.
The bike comes with a comprehensive toolkit, including pump, hex wrench set, open-end spanners, tire repair kit. Riders can perform their own maintenance and roadside repairs with ease.
When folded, the A20 measures approximately 100 centimeters length, 88 centimeters height. This compact form makes transport and storage simple. Net weight, 40.8 kilogram. Gross weight, 45.9 kilogram.
The A20 combines performance with modern aesthetics. Its clean frame design, integrated components, and bold tire profile deliver a strong presence while ensuring practicality for everyday use. This model is classified as a high-power electric bicycle. Returns cannot be requested due to the inability to obtain a local license. Buyers should confirm local regulations before purchase.